because dancing is sacred for them. So they dance for a special occasion, such as wedding, good harvest, and prayer. So next, one of the instruments they use, they call this or that as kudyapi or kudlungan. That's the first one of the first guitar in the Philippines with 2 strings. And now they're going to play boget or bird song. Sapukan. So, anyway, if you want to say thank you po sa kanila, just say magsukur. Magsukur. And
Magsukur.
aside from that, they are hunter-gatherers.